Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It always seems impossible until it's done. Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all my shining stars. This is Senior Islamia School and College and I am Asra Gulzar. Welcome in English class. My dear students, our today's topic is paragraph writing. Beta, in this lesson you will learn what is paragraph writing, parts of paragraph and how to write an effective paragraph. So students, the question arises in our mind that what is a paragraph. So first of all, let's see what is a paragraph. Paragraph is a series of organized sentences related to a single topic or idea. Okay beta, so paragraph is a series of organized sentences and you can also say that group of sentences that are written related to the single topic or idea. In a paragraph, series of sentences are written one after the other without any gap. So the sentences are written without any gap. And these sentences are related to the topic or an idea. But a paragraph writing is a form of creative writing and hence requires a lot of thinking. So this is a type of creative writing. It is the form of creative writing when you want to write something about any topic. So you have to think a lot about that topic. You need to ask questions to yourselves like who, where, what, when, etc. to gather information about the given topic. So these questions are very important whenever you want to write a paragraph or you want to gather information about the topic or about the paragraph. A paragraph is divided into three parts: introduction, body, conclusion. Each paragraph has these three parts. A paragraph is a series of organized sentences as we have discussed earlier. These sentences can be divided into topic sentence, supporting sentences, adding details or conclusion. Topic sentence. In topic sentence, you write main introduction of the topic. Supporting sentence, support the main sentence, means main introduction और main sentence को ये support करते हैं supporting sentences. Adding details, add details to the supporting sentence. Supporting sentence जो आप लिखते हैं उसमें आप जो मज़ीद आप डिटेल देना चाहते हैं, आप उसमें और एडअप करना चाहते हैं, तो उसके लिए आप जो सेंटेंसेस लिखते हैं उसको हम एडिंग डिटेल्स कहते हैं. लास्ट वन इज कंक्लूजन. कंक्लूड द पैराग्राफ इन 2 or 3 sentences. So in conclusion we write 2 or 3 sentences to conclude the paragraph. Beta, these are some tips to write an effective paragraph. Introduction and conclusion should be very impressive. It should not be very lengthy. Do not drag the topic by repeating the same information. Okay, so if you want to make a lengthy paragraph, write a lengthy paragraph, don't repeat the same information. New ideas make a paragraph more interesting. But here is a sample of paragraph. So let's see what is the topic sentence in this paragraph and the supporting sentences. Are they supporting the main sentence, the topic sentence? Okay, so trees are useful to us. This is the topic sentence. They clean the air around us. So does this sentence support the topic sentence? Yes, it does. On a hot day, they give us shade. We can use their wood to build our homes. Trees also help to keep the environment fresh. They provide us oxygen. So the sentences are supporting the topic sentence. Okay my dear students, this is the paragraph An Accident. So you will write it on your workbook. Page number is 58. On 12th instant, I was returning from school at 3 p.m. I saw a car coming at high speed near the civil hospital. At the same time, a motorcyclist appeared from the other side. The car hit the motorcycle. The motorcyclist was thrown away. He was badly injured. The motorcycle was broken into pieces. Many people gathered there. They were sad at the accident. Soon the police arrived. Rescue 1122 came and took the injured person to the hospital. The driver of the car was arrested. The police officer took down the statements. All the people prayed for the safety of injured person. So this is the paragraph. You will write it on your workbook. But this is your home assignment. You will write a paragraph on an accident on workbook page number 58. Thanks for listening, beta. Have a great day. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.